Hey guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have VIVO Y28 and I want to show you how to manage your Google passwords on this device. Start with opening Google Chrome application, tap on three dots on the right corner and there choose settings. And hit Google Password Manager, and there we can manage our Google password. First step, we must tap on it on website from which our device remember passwords and enter our look screen to get connected to that. And it we can copy our username, copy our passwords, or after we press on our eyes icon, our smartphone show us password which remember. You can also share this password to someone using this icon, or edit something by tap on edit and write something new in our username node or password, but remember, when you change something, press save. You can also delete this password by delete and confirm by delete again. And that's all. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.